Hey guys, JT here with a quick unboxing and look at some lipo batteries or a lipo battery. Basically, there's a company on Amazon. I'll put a link to their store down below, but it's pronounced, I think it's Awanfi. They have some pretty good cheap lipos. Basically, what I have here is a 2S 5000 milliamp 60C lipo, and it costs 26 bucks. And of course, the shipping and stuff is free if you are with Amazon and stuff. But I said I was going to start, purchasing different batteries. A lot of times you guys ask me, what batteries do I use in my cars? And I've been just trying to use a whole bunch of different kinds and giving you guys some of the best deals out there for batteries. But this right here for $26.99 shipped for a 5000 milliamp 60C 2S lipo, and it's a hard case, I think is worth it. And actually, they give you this. Look at this. You can actually go to their site. You guys can see that there and see it. But I'm going to leave a link to their Amazon store as well, because companies like what they're doing here, it's pretty smart, because you can buy these through Amazon. Of course, if you have any issues or something like that, you can always get back in contact with the Amazon dealer. Unlike a lot of the companies that are overseas, if you have problems, it's hard to get a contact of customer support. And then even with that, for shipping and stuff, sometimes it takes forever to get stuff, because I've experienced that with several companies overseas as well. You'll see your package being shipped and it takes a couple weeks, et cetera, et cetera. So this is good that they're doing this and they're offering this stuff through Amazon. But anyway, this is interesting because this does come with a Velcro strap, which I can use this. If you guys are like me, you can find a use for everything. So this is actually pretty good. This comes on some RC cars too as well, to actually hold down batteries. So I will be using this on some other stuff as well. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, taking a look at the pack, like I said, it is a 5000 milliamp 60C 2S lipo. So that's pretty good. I think all my 2Ss I have are like 30, 35C. And we'll run some tests against this as well. As you see there, it also comes with the Dean's type or Dean's connectors on it. And you also see that the balance plug has also got a protection around its actual plastic coating. And that can actually, you guys can see there, that can snap and come off. So that's pretty good. I mean, and it came in a couple of days. So for you guys out there that are ordering cars and stuff for Christmas and all that, this may be a great option for you for that. I mean, especially you guys out there that are ordering cars for your kids, and you might as well just get a lipo battery, because this is going to be the same cost about as a 7 or 8.4 volt nickel metal battery pack, and you get a 2S with it. So anyways, as always with this, I always like to do a quick check to see how balanced the cells are when I get them. And we'll probably have to turn this light off just a little bit to see this. But pop right out. Get this in here real quick. So you guys can see there. Get this out the light some. They come perfectly balanced. 3.85, 3.85. So that's good. I mean, I'm going to get these things charged up and kind of see what it charges. Not only that it charges to 4.2 volts, but it also charges to at least 5,000, or I think on this first charge, it may be a little under 5,000 minutes, because they do put these in storage mode. But after I run it, I'll kind of do an after run thoughts of it and charge it again to make sure it charges to the milliamp specified on here, which I'm pretty sure this will, because this comes pretty well balanced right there. And you guys that are really techie and stuff, kind of like me in some aspects, you can see 7.7 volts and stuff on there. So that's going to be pretty good. But I'm pretty interested in trying this, because I have a couple of cars that I'll probably be getting soon that's going to require dual lipos and stuff. So this would be a great option, especially at the price of it. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You guys can check that out. Check their store out there. They do offer, I saw a 3S, but I think it was like 3,000 milliamps. So I may try that at some point as well. As long as it's still got a high C rating, which a lot of cars are requiring, I think this is going to be good. So you guys, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Get this running. And with this connector, of course, most cars, or some of the cars now, are going to come with this Dean style, or You know, sometimes you got to play the connection wars, but I do have adapters and stuff as well. So I'm going to try this with an adapter, and then I'll probably try with some XT90 connectors or something on that. But we'll see as I start to get this out and get this tested. But I did want to show this to you guys. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.